Today I will show how to reset a router like this. It can be Marcusus, or it can be from Tenda, it can be from TP-Link. Different type of router you will find in the market, and every router's reset system is like same. So today I will reset Marcusus router. It's a very easy process. First we will connect the adapter with this router, and it will start very soon. We will wait for a little bit. It is starting now. So after started, we will find this type of button in our router. So here is a button. We will use this type of SIM card ejector to reset this button. So we'll press and hold 20 to 30 seconds. So after completing it, this router will restarting itself. So now it is restarting itself. We will eject this SIM card ejector from the router. After restarting, this router will available for new configuration. Today I show a mini tutorial to you to how to reset your router like this. So thanks for watching. We will meet again with a new video. That's it. Allah Hafiz.